Nangamalari. Aunty Munya, is it okay for a non-Indigenous person to sing songs written and recorded by an Indigenous artist?
Yeah, I don't see why not, Carla, because traditionally we have secret songs that, yes, you don't share with other people. That's when you, particularly around law business. But then there's what we call public songs, and that's available for everyone. So if an Indigenous artist has put their songs out there in a public manner, then that's perfectly fine. And, you know, it's one way of retelling their stories. So go for it.
And celebrating as well. And I think they were also thinking of doing this for the launch of a reconciliation action plan. And so I think it's a great idea, but also you probably already are thinking of this, but inviting a local Indigenous performer as well to participate in that.
Yeah.
So go well and good luck with it.